I look pretty miserable. I was trying to be an actor and a TV presenter when I left school, and I was at an industry awards night, and I remember just feeling like I didn't know what I was doing there. I was supposed to be networking. It's so tough at that age. Here's my acting headshot. I did not last long in that industry. I was too sensitive and it wasn't great for the self-esteem. So I'm going down a little trip down memory lane because for their Be a Rock campaign, Rock Skincare asked me to give some advice to my younger self. After acting, I got a job in magazines, and I remember always feeling this pressure as a beauty editor to be perfectly coiffed. Before I had editorial meetings, I remember going to the bathroom to check that everything was perfect. It's so full of uncertainty and anxiety. First of all, I would tell her, enjoy being young and kidless and carefree. I looked great. And my skin, oh, what I wouldn't give for that collagen. These days I get around with no makeup, and I like really easy, effective skincare. I've really enjoyed testing out the Rock Multi-Correction Revive and Glow Daily Serum. These capsules are great because they're single use, so the product doesn't degrade. Vitamin C can tend to become less active the longer you have it, so these single-use capsules are very potent. And you know what? My skin is still great, and I need to enjoy every moment, because otherwise I'll be sitting here when I'm 70 saying, I wish I had enjoyed my 40s more and worried less.